everyone, welcome back to my channel JoSum Akula. I am Jo. I hope you guys had a fantastic week. Today is obviously a special episode, special video. So I'm not going to cook. I hope you guys see my world through my eyes today. So today's video is the one I've been so excited to film. My house tour. I'm very happy to show you my cozy corners and my favorite spots in my house. I'm showing you guys everything. Home is where your story begins. So do make sure to stay till the very end of the video. Let's go. My today's 2 cents is of course on homes. For me, home is not a place, it is a feeling. We all know there is no place like home. And home is where love lives, memories are created, and laughter never ends, correct? Haven't we heard all our life our grandmoms, our moms, friends, everybody saying a house is built with walls and beams, whereas a home is built with love and dreams. Even when I'm traveling for 4 days, when I come back, I crave for home because for me that is the coziest and the comfiest place. And I will not shy away from saying that my favorite place in the whole world is home. I feel at peace and I love watching my family enjoy. And I have to accept that home is where every story begins. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video today and enjoyed touring my house. And I will see you guys next Saturday at 9 a.m. PST. Until then, bye-bye.